Hi. Not going to be a video this week. Well, apart from this one, obviously, just because things have happened, and also I'm leaving now for a few days. I'm going along the Jurassic Coast, which is over there, that sort of way. Over to Lulworth Cove and Warbarrow Bay, so there's no phone reception or anything there. I did put a community post, but then I thought I may as well just, I've been delayed by a day, so I may as well just upload a video while I've got internet and tell you that there won't be, upload a video to tell you that there's not going to be a video, you know, because that's the way my brain works. But yeah, I've got some pretty exciting things coming up that require a passport. I shall say no more, but should make some pretty cool videos. Yeah, I'm just sat watching the sun go down. It's just gone behind some clouds, unfortunately, but another glorious night. Yeah, so normal service shall resume probably next week. Although I am away from Friday next week for a week, so I don't know, I might just have a couple of weeks off the YouTube. There's stuff going on in my brain. Yeah, so I'll be back when I'm back, probably next week, possibly the week after. Who knows? But I shall return. Promise, probably. Right. You can have an eye full of that before I go. Peace out.